Good evening, I'm meteorologist Austin Evans in for Chuck Collins. Today and for the rest of the weekend, we have a fairly detailed 25 weather tracker forecast ahead, so let's get right to it. What we're tracking, strong storm potential tomorrow. And I'm going to stay on this part of the graphic for just a few moments here. There are multiple scenarios that could play out, and it's going to all deal with timing. We're looking at possibly 2 waves of showers and storms moving through the region. The first wave is looking to move through right around the midday. Some models are projecting this, other models are not. The second wave is looking to move through at some point during the late afternoon or late evening overnight hours. Now, this is all conditional. If that first wave moves through and takes away all the instability or a lot of the instability, the second wave might not be as strong. However, if in between those 2 waves the sun comes out, that could increase the instability and the second wave could be strong. We're going to just keep an eye on it, and I plan on doing a fairly detailed analysis of it after the 6 o'clock show. Cooler Friday with AM lingering showers and a pleasant feeling holiday weekend is ahead, especially if you are not a fan of the heat and humidity we have been experiencing. But first, real quick, download the 25 Weather Tracker app for tomorrow. It's free on the Google Play Store. It's free on the Apple App Store. You need it tomorrow. It's the fastest and easiest way for us to alert you when you need to be alerted to severe weather. You can delete it after tomorrow. Just have it on your phone tomorrow. It's the best way for us to alert you. A good portion of the region has been upgraded to a slight risk for severe weather tomorrow. It was at a marginal. It's a 1 out of 5 risk. Slight is a 2 out of 5 risk. It was at a marginal yesterday. Now it's at a slight, and that does include Peoria and Bloomington. The rest of the area to our northeast is in that level 1 marginal risk. So let's talk about the threats that we're looking at. Can't rule out an isolated tornado, and we can't rule out large hail. These are non-zero chances. Not saying they're likely, not really saying I'm expecting any. We just can't rule them out with 100% certainty. The main thing that I'm concerned with is the potential for some high wind and localized flash flooding due to localized heavy rain. Those are the main 2 concerns that we're going to be keeping an eye on. Increasing clouds overnight tonight, and it's going to be mild with lows in the upper 50s. Tomorrow, strong storms possible, and that is the main thing to take away for your forecast tomorrow, with highs in the mid-70s. And over the next 7 days, cooling off considerably Friday with lingering morning showers and a nice Memorial Day weekend ahead with highs in the 60s on Saturday, and then we get back into the 70s Sunday and Monday. And even though they'll be warmer, it won't feel so humid, so it'll be really, really nice. And as we add the extended plus 10-day forecast, we do warm up a little bit going into next week with shower chances returning during the later parts of the week and into next weekend. I deeply ask you to tune in to 25 News at 5, 6, and 10 tonight for details on tomorrow's forecast. Stay weather aware, and we'll see you then.